How to play iMessage game on Android. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up Play Store and in the search for Plateau Fun Multiplayer Game. You can go ahead and download this application, and once this app is downloaded, you may go ahead and open it up, tap on display, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do is, if you want to add friends, you can tap on the second option from your bottom. This one right here, and here you'll be finding plus icon. Tap on it. You can add by Plateau ID of other people, or you can also share a friend link by tapping on this link option and tapping on the share from your screen. So if you've already added each other, all you gotta do in order to play the game is in the bottom in the middle you should be finding games. Tap on it, and here you'll be finding different games available, which is also on iMessage. All you gotta do is locate up the game that you would like to play and start playing. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to play iMessage game. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.